Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the AI spell check feature on WPS Office. So if you want to check your spelling and also grammar on WPS Office, but you want to take it to another level, you can use this AI spell check where you can find it in here under the WPS AI button. So when you click on this, there will be this AI tools called AI spell check. So you can go beyond spelling and grammar, make your writing clear, engaging, and polished. So what you need to do is just choose the file that you want to run a spell check. Click on a choose file. Here, I'm going to click on this file right here, and then you can tap open. And let's just wait until the document that you want to edit is open. Okay, so now the file is open, but okay, I think it's still loading. And in here on the right panel, you'll see the AI spell check. You can choose the intensity of the spell check. You can go with average, good, and excellent. Here you can enable the AI suggestion card. You are trying out AI spell check, which can provide AI powered spelling, grammar, and refinement suggestion. Accepting suggestion will directly replace the original text. Here you can tap on next. And there's this AI capability switch. You can disable the AI capability here, and disabling will only load the suggestion. I'm going to disable it first. Okay, you can see this spelling in here. I'm going to go with the refinements in here. Unfortunately, the refinement is still not available yet. Here, let's just go to the next page. And here you can scroll down to see what is wrong. Correctness. Okay, so I think there's this. Okay, so you can see this is the red underline where there's this correction that they will suggest. So if you want to correct it with their suggestion, you can click on one of them. For example, this one, it will change automatically just like this. This is them. So you can just check it one by one to see which one is correct or not. And so that's all for me. That's how you can use the AI spell check. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.